Hello students, welcome to my channel. I hope you have understood good number of concepts from my videos on digestive system, and I have started my work on the respiratory system. We have already discussed what is the difference between respiration and breathing. We have also discussed the type of organisms basing upon respiration. If you haven't watched the videos on these topics, please do watch them first and then come to this one. In this video, we will be discussing the parts of respiratory system, what all is included in them. So, nostrils, larynx, trachea, which is also known as the air passage of our body. Then comes the bronchi, bronchioles. Then comes the alveoli and the lungs. These are all the parts of the respiratory system in our body. We have a pair of nostrils through which we breathe, right? Then air goes in the larynx, then trachea, then bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. So everything has been written in the serial order, and ultimately in the lungs, these three parts are included. Which three parts? Bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. Now we will be observing a diagram for it so that it becomes easy to you. Now this is the trachea, which is lined by cartilaginous rings. This is cartilaginous rings. So these are cartilaginous rings. Now what is the role of these cartilaginous rings? Whenever the air is larger in quantity or lesser in quantity, these cartilaginous rings, these are flexible and they prevent bursting of trachea. So whenever airflow is large or airflow is less than required, these cartilaginous rings will be very helpful. Now in the chest we have a pair of lungs, and in the chest region, somewhere just in the mid chest region, this trachea, while going down, it breaks up, and it breaks up to form bronchi, right? So this is trachea or the air passage that has been shown to you, and this shows cartilaginous rings. So this is the trachea. While going down, it is breaking up into two parts, and these two parts are known as bronchi. Now these bronchi, on further going inside, they break down into bronchioles. So here you can see that I am further breaking them into bronchioles. So bronchi will lead into bronchioles. Same thing will happen in the left lung, and same thing will happen in the right lung, right? So this segmentation should definitely be there. So bronchi breaks to form bronchioles, and these bronchioles, they terminate into balloon shaped structures which are known as alveoli, right? You can see that I am making balloon like structures, and these are being named as alveoli. So we have seen that air has come from the nostrils. From nostrils, it has come to the larynx, and then to the trachea or the air passage, then in the bronchi, then bronchioles, and then finally in the alveoli. And this terminal part of the bronchi and bronchioles is enclosed in a cavity which is known as lung. What is it known as? It is known as lung. Here remember, when we will be talking about one bronchi, then we should use the word bronchus. And when we will be talking about both the bronchus, that means we have to use the term bronchi. So bronchi is a plural word, bronchus is a singular word. When you are using it, you need to be careful. So bronchi will be segmented to form bronchioles, and bronchioles will be ending in balloon-like structures that will be known as alveoli. In upcoming videos, we will talk about how basically exchange of air happens, why they are alveoli are being balloon-like. So everything will be explained slowly and gradually to you. Please stay connected. And the question for this video is, what is the role of nose hair? What do they actually do? Why are they being there? So you might have read this in your lower classes. What does nose hair do? You just need to write a sentence for it in the comment as an answer, and you will definitely get a reward from me, and your name will be taken in the upcoming videos. I hope you have understood this concept. If you have liked it, please do give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do consider subscribing. Press the bell icon for the recent updates. See you in next video with the concept of respiratory system.